Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to make a banner just like mine. So you have to download all the templates from the link in the description. So first thing is first you have to open the YouTube template. It's in the Google Drive form. You have to apply it and this would pop up here and you make sure it's locked. It will obviously be locked, but then yeah. So you have to apply the template which I gave in the description. This, so we made it here. So you have to mark this desktop minimum and mobile, so you won't forget it. So you have to pull this down and you have to mark it right there. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so we got that there. We're gonna put this back. So now we're gonna add the text. The text is also in the description, so check it out, or you can use any other text you would like. The text is this: Akira XC. You have to make sure it's white because it would be visible. So the text is down, so I'm gonna pull it up. I'm gonna type RRG0FN. I'm gonna make this big. This should be good. Okay, for now let's keep it here and we don't need to do anything with it now. So let's add the render, the Zadie render. Let's make this small because it's too big. We're gonna adjust this here, as you can see this line over here. I'm gonna adjust this. This should be fine. Yep. Now I'm gonna bring back the text here and keep it a little back of this so it would look like a 3D banner. Now we're gonna lock this render. Now we're gonna go to text and add shadow. Make sure it's black. Make the blur to 0 and keep the distance as normal and keep the opacity 100. And as you guys can see here, the shadow. Now what you're gonna do is you are going to adjust this sizes. So you're technically gonna go here, format, line space if you want to. I'm gonna keep it like this. Then I'm gonna go to outline. I'm gonna keep it black. Size is this. Then I'm gonna keep this. Yep, this is the banner. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Peace out.